I know I haven't heard about whooping cough in years, but despite vaccinations, we see more cases every year.
KETK's Roger Gray joins us live in our News Update Center with more on this. And Roger, is this a bad time of year for pertussis?
Yes, it is actually, and there's no better incubator than a public school. That's why we're seeing the disease on the rise.
Good evening. This is Lindale ISD Superintendent Stan Surratt, and I'm calling for two reasons. First, I want to notify all parents we've had several students with confirmed cases of whooping cough.
Schools all over the country are dealing with it. It's called pertussis, or whooping cough. Now, the name whooping cough comes from the whooping inrush of air from a victim right before a series of racking coughs. It is contagious, and for a parent, it's very hard to watch. And the message from Lindale ISD was similar to what many districts are seeing.
Very contagious. Very, very contagious. If you think about coughing and sneezing, a sneeze can travel 200 miles per hour.
Silvia Radcliffe is an infectious disease specialist at Trinity Mother Francis.
Well, it just starts off as a common cold, but then a cough will develop and it can last, if you start having a cough that's lasting greater than 1 to 2 weeks, you may have pertussis.
Whooping cough is the only preventable disease that's seeing an increase in deaths nationwide, 17 last year. And worldwide, 49 million people catch the disease, and roughly 300,000 die from it.
Those wonderful vaccines that we all got that we thought were going to afford lifelong immunity have not proven to do that. Immunity can wane. And if they haven't had the booster shot, they can get it and they can give it to others.
It is hard to watch. The coughs are so rough in adults. We have seen cracked ribs, hernias, and vomiting result. And as Sylvia said, most adults need a booster shot, even if you were vaccinated as a kid. Live News Update Center, Roger Gray, KETK News.